Okay, I am at HortTube, Jim Putnam's house, and I just had to do a little walkthrough really quick, but it is just so gorgeous I had to get a little video of it. This is their boxwood. That looks so great, and those are all of his perennials and annuals. There's so many bees out here. It's so pretty. I might go closer. Like, I don't even know if you can hear the bees, but they are so loud. His Miss Lemon Abelia. I love that, actually. It's like a hedge of Miss Lemon Abelia. Look how massive these bees are. Those are ginormous. I love this. I had only ever seen it on YouTube, obviously, but it looks so, so good. There are some Garden Jewel Gerbera daisies from Southern Living Plant Collection. I see Obsession Nandina from Southern Living Plant Collection. So pretty. I just really, really love all the color too. Like, these are also nice and easy yucca. The other one was color card yucca. This is nice and easy, and I absolutely love how he has this. Also because they're super low water, and I've been thinking about, at least for the front yard and certain places in the backyard, leaning into plants that are mostly low water. He has like so many little critters here. Like, seriously, it feels like a whole ecosystem in the rainforest or something. He has all these butterfly candy. They look so great. This is his Stellar Ruby Magnolia, which, if you've seen mine, I have two small ones. They are actually so tiny compared to this. Like, it makes me really excited for how big they can get. That's actually insane. It's crazy. I also love the way he has these wood chip paths. I don't know if y'all saw the video on his channel, but a year ago he came to our house and mapped out a garden for us with paths and stuff, and I opted for pea gravel, which I'm really happy that I did, but seeing his now, I get it more. What he was trying to tell me, it didn't quite make sense to me, but I love the way it looks. All of these butterfly candy look phenomenal. This is his little raspberry. His little raspberry is huge. He has like one of every color. I kind of like how that's like that. It's like a little butterfly candy area. Oh, I didn't even see this way. Chef's Choice Rosemary. I know that's an Encore Azalea. Orange Rocket Barberry. Oh, his Dragon Prince Cryptomeria is huge. Mojo Pittosporum. I feel like, oh, that's his Florida Sunshine Lycium. That's massive. Ooh. Okay, that's a container planted soft Caress Mahonia, which I've also felt recently inspired to do. Oh, he has all of these little pittosporums. That's cute. Love. Oh my gosh. There are literally things falling from the sky. But those hydrangeas are really pretty. Here's an Encore Azalea. I think it's Autumn Lily or Starlight because it has these pink. See that pink stripe? And this bee is hard at work. And I really liked these container plantings that he did. I think that's Charlie Boy Cordyline. Love that. This is also a bitter boxwood. I can't remember which one, but I love the way he has it paired with these annuals. Thought it looked so good. That kind of looks like Arctic Frost Mandra, but maybe I'm incorrect on that. Anyway, but this is gorgeous. It's so fun to see it in person after I feel like I see it every day on the internet. Also this huge Platinum Beauty container. And I don't think, Platinum Beauty is hardy to like zone 10. I don't think it's 8 to 10, maybe it is. I don't think it is though, because I'm gonna have to overwinter mine, and I think we're in the same zone, so he's probably gonna have to overwinter. Oh look, in his October magic camellias are starting to bloom. Oh, I think this is his emerald snow loropetalum. That's ginormous as well. And it's kind of blooming a little. Waikiki colocasia. Well, I love it. It looks so good. Okay, one last look, and then I am out of here because I have got to get to this garden center group. But Jim, thanks for letting me crash your yard for a sec. I still just actually cannot believe this stellar ruby magnolia. Mine is so small. Okay, and that was it. I'm honestly just so impressed with, first of all, oh, I just saw a chipmunk. I just watched a video where he talked about the chipmunks. Anyway, it's even more plants than I thought it was going to be. There's so many bugs and bees and critters, and it's amazing. Like, it's literally like its own little world. It's so cute.